What's up, YouTube? For all my welding colleagues out there, you got your tip. You're welding aluminum, okay? Your tip pops. You get aluminum inside your tip. Very hard to clean out. They get expensive after like the first 10 that you pop, okay? Your welding production. You know, your supervisor doesn't want to go get any more tips from the welding shop. Okay, so now what do? Okay, you got to make do with what you got. So that's what you got. You got a clogged tip. I'm here today to show you guys that it is possible to clean one out. I've tried other methods. Tip cleaners, they're good for hard wire, but for aluminum, once they break off, you get that little bitty, piece of wire stuck in there, and it's like, how am I gonna get it off? Okay, so you're screwed. Okay, so just take it, put it in your cordless drill, lock it down. I bought this from a weld shop. It's a little drill bit. You just take it, put it inside your tip, and then voila. Now you can go back to work. That's how I get them clean. If you like it, give me a like. If you don't like it, find another way.